Tell you what's giving me difficulty.
Distributor you. Can't take care of you. Another one. Another one.
Too many moving parts, Josh.
See that?
Give me another one. I'm done, Joshua.
I've been done.
You're done. You're out of wax mode. You don't know what you're doing. Can you help? You recording?
We just raced.
You are so done.
We still feed me tape.
Just take it out the corners you don't know what to do with. Okay, we got it. Aren't they breakable? There you go.
And I told her to hold them before she showed the tape. She's like, yeah, I got it, don't worry. You act like I haven't done this before.
Look, I even got a ribbon on mine.
Well, first off, I threw the scissors and they broke. Yeah, put the...
Yeah, right.
Put the ribbon on hers. Give me the ribbon.
Amanda, these are yours, by the way.
There you have paper. Ziggy. Ziggy.
Alright, here we go, cards. Cards coming at you, Amanda.
Come on.
Wait, we're done.
We're done.
That's it, that was the last two.
No, we're not done. I'm with rep.
No, you're done.
These are the sticky.
What? Ow! Wow, that's pretty good.
Come on.
What does that have stickers?
Danny?
Tags don't have stickers.
They got stickers.
Alright, we're golden. There, you're right. Everybody's getting a good bed.
Aaron, break that camera.
Dad's coming in.
Oh my goodness.
Dad's here.